I will talk about how can you update tax information on your Bread app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do first, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, you just click on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on update tax information. You come to next step here. Then here you fill all this text. So uh, you add your tax here information, your first name and last name, company name and tax ID, then address and postal code, then city in province, then your country, and you click on save. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.